In a chronic wound, there is an overall decrease of all components of the extracellular matrix. Cells lose their ability to proliferate and, as a consequence, end up in apoptosis. One mechanism that fails in wound healing is a persistent activation of the inflammatory phase, which doesn't progress properly, leading to stagnation. This affects a patient's quality of life, and it's a major therapeutic challenge, producing a significant healthcare burden. Polyheal Micro is a suspension of polystyrene negatively charged microspheres, NCMs. Such charges increase the readiness by which macromolecules and cells interact with each other. Main cell lines involved in the wound healing process attach to negatively charged microspheres, NCMs, through integrin receptors. The persistent activation of the inflammatory phase is not further maintained due to local cytokine balance reestablishment. NCMs also mimic the functions of native extracellular matrix, providing an additional surface area for cell attachment, enabling cells to activate the processes aimed to wound healing. In addition, the excess of protease activity can lead to a chronic non-healing situation. But when metalloproteases come into contact with NCMs, they can be absorbed onto their surface, favoring tissue regeneration. After the application of Polyheal Micro, a synchronized series of events are triggered, switching the wound from the inflammatory to the proliferative phase by replacing the lack of components of the extracellular matrix. Many cells participate in this process. Fibroblasts produce collagen needed to repair the defect, and endothelial cells promote angiogenesis, which is essential for regeneration of tissue during wound healing. Polyheal Micro reactivates the healing process and accelerates the formation of granulation tissue, favoring closure. The safe, simple, and effective administration of Polyheal Micro solves the challenges of chronic wounds management, reducing the expense in wound care and hospital burdens, and offers patients the possibility of a quicker return to a normal life.